So what would you say was the driver then for choosing the Sicon product?
So the driver, first of all, to look for something else was obviously, they were having data issues, things weren't being updated in the live system. So funnily enough, it's a good story. We looked at your product, Sicon product, turned up to do a demonstration of the product, took the MD in the warehouse to show him real time with a laptop, scanned the part, saw it move instantly. That there was the deciding factor. As soon as he saw, within a split second, it moving inside as he moved the
as quick as that.
system.
So, yeah,
that was his decision made. We pretty much went like that day.
Barcoding has certainly smoothed out everything, and I'm confident that our stock levels will eventually be nearest
100%.
Yeah,
That's quite a thing to aim for, isn't it?
Yeah.